Okay.
We have a Clio Rs 200. And we're gonna put...
What's power in this?
Nothing at the moment. Nothing at the moment, boss, but
Fucking
you know what?
hell.
You know what? We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that with these parts in here. If you want to show the camera. The dead big box.
What is in the box?
Pipes.
Pipes.
Alright, let's get to work.
We're actually going to use this footage, alright? So...
See this? RS Performance. Yeah? Falls down. Show the car line up.
Right, so we have the VF Valiant. Wowzers. We got the French Bumblebee.
French Bumblebee?
We got the WRX. And can't see it.
That all works.
Can't fucking see it.
V8, oh you see it?
Can't see it.
730. Oh, can we set that, bro?
First things first.
Okay, so what we want to do? Are we doing this part first? Or are we doing this
taking
one?
out all these clips.
No, let's get it all
I
dismantled.
want to take this all off.
We had to undo the bonnet cable.
Hey, we'll get it all dismantled first, and then we start.
Yeah.
Max, open the car.
So now.
Shut the fuck up.
Whoa. Hey, big game.
So James, which pipes are we doing?
You know you have to
We're
think
doing
pretty hard.
that,
This? No.
You have to
We're
think
You
doing
don't have to.
that,
Sure.
Yeah.
But you just push
This. Yeah. You just,
this.
it's that and then under.
I'm gonna start
This one, this pipe here, and then these two boost
Who's
hoses.
George Metropolis?
You just add it.
Fucking.
Huh?
You gotta turn the wheel so you can to the
Ah, okay.
My head was right there.
I've already failed.
Yeah, I wasn't moving.
No, I have the video.
I know you were there.
I have the video of the bumper removal.
Yeah, once we do that, then we can put it up on the ramp.
I have this one as well. Wait.
We don't need these.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, there's a screw here, screw on the other side,
Underneath.
DRL, and then there's 4 screws in the bottom. I don't have to take them out.
Is that an X
Like
or
the GS.
a 80 volts?
Yeah, that's a motherfucker. Alright, I need to take these fucking.
Fuck, what are French cars? Probably T24.
They're the T20s.
Oh, you know?
T20s. I did my research for you, bro.
That's pretty good, baby.
I'm not gonna fucking invite you guys over like with my dick in my
This is
hands.
what I need.
Alright.
Lead?
What, show me it. What is it?
Getting serious.
Cockpit.
Yeah, I already took all these off.
Oh, okay.
I already took these off. There's just some at the bottom. I don't know what the fuck they are, but I think they're all the same. You want to move these?
Just let go of it while it's back, and then pull it up.
It's like a twisty thing.
Fuck, they're small.
What size it is?
That's not 24.
Yeah, it's fucking tight, eh?
You have a look. Be able to slice it.
It's definitely that one.
Cut it off.
Not one bigger.
Your Stanley knife. Oh, it's just really stuck.
Do you reckon cut it off?
You've never used it again.
Well, maybe don't, because just in case we fuck up, take it to the mechanic. Don't cut it off.
It's what? It's greased on, eh?
Yeah,
you
I
have,
think it's lube.
I used to get that out.
Probably the pliers.
Something to, yeah.
20 then.
We have this. We have heaps of shit. So whatever you need, just let me know. I'll try and find it.
Watch out, James.
Don't lose anything. And then put all the screws in here, in this bucket.
Jesus. Yeah. Be careful with this.
Someone fucking plastics, bro.
Get a towel.
A towel? Towel.
Shove it with anything. Just shove it with the throttle.
Your dad's used fiber cups.
Yeah.
But I think it gives you the room to fucking
Extra grip.
actually
Extra grip.
put the socket in there. There's also this on there. See that? Look.
Yeah, that's what we do.
But we need something to maybe get that out.
It's all friction pad. Just go left and right.
I love that everyone's working on this car by here.
Trying his best, bro. He's got my full gloves on.
twist it.
You gotta twist.
Perfect
idea.
It's melted on there, bro.
Yeah, it's melted on there. 100%.
Get me a blade. I'll just cut it.
That's, yeah.
But once we do that, there's no going back.
Screws on this fucking thing,
It's
bro.
alright, I'll get you one. There's a part number on it.
No, like just in case, because
Worst case.
Oh wait, hold on.
got work tomorrow, buddy.
Just a fucking
Yeah. Yeah, he's standing like it just.
I don't like this. Alright.
Nothing can fall in there.
Nothing can fall in there.
Alright, so all you gotta do is just one slice down
Just
there.
all one.
Yeah, and then just slice it, and then if worst case scenario, just duct tape it.
That's what I mean. Just slice it down.
Oh,
What just fucking snap?
Okay, that's just not.
Oh
come and set over.
no. Max.
Max, can't go to work tomorrow.
What
I said
did
don't
he
yank it, we should just cut it.
No,
What did he snap?
bro, I was literally trying to twist it.
Is there a way to fix that?
I have no idea.
Ella, what did we snap? Show me.
This, bro.
It's just for the heater inside.
Is it snap?
It's for the
I don't
intake.
know, it's not snapped.
It's for your aircon.
No, I think it's for the intake noise into the cabin.
Ah.
To vent into the cabin.
Should we start the car up and see what
Actually,
happens?
you might not need
No,
that.
no, because the throttle's.
Yeah, I got half the bumper off.
Took half the bumper off, mate.
Did it snap?
That's.
Wait, let me get back on the
It's
floor.
not too bad.
It just looks like
It's snapped.
It
You
just
put it back
looks
on.
like.
It's not too bad. Just snap it.
Maybe it's a clip in it.
Well, as we're here, we might as well fucking take this off. Take this off.
Do you even need that if you're changing the pipe?
What are you wearing?
Yes, you need
Didn't
this.
watch it?
Whatever.
Oh, you need this.
I got two more.
I'm slicing the sides.
Nah, I think it's fixable, right?
I think you just twist it in.
Well, that's what we need.
You slice it. Try and get it off while you have it off like that.
There's no way it's coming off.
Yeah, you gotta slice it. As long as you're replacing that pipe.
Yes, wait, yes.
Look at the pipe.
Yes, no, 100%. No, it's not that one, not that one. The other one of that one. Oh, wait. Show me? No, but it's still leak pressure, obviously.
I fucking losing it.
That's why I want to get it done, mate, because I've been driving like this for fucking 5 weeks.
It's been a while.
It's coming off there?
Oh, is it like a clip thing? Everything's
What is that? They're all fucking broken.
You better have. Make sure you have better clips for it.
That was broken on there.
What clips?
Whoever had that.
There's no clips, mate. Look, it's just a
Put
welded
it on there
pipe.
like that.
Yeah.
Pap, it's just a welded pipe. I can know that. Like that,
Oh,
two
thank
screws.
God.
Oh, give me a. It's different. Yeah.
That.
So you don't
Oh,
need
so
it.
then you don't really.
Yes, it's just like that.
Perfect.
Doesn't matter.
That's better for you.
Doesn't matter.
Hey, do you ever-
Look
do
at
you
that,
ever-
full
do you
welds,
ever
everything.
eight? Because they're all breaking as well. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. No, that's fucking mad.
What does this do? Oh, but then. What does this do?
Oh, I think it's coming up.
What does this take? Oh, that's
That's
the.
your sensor.
Yeah,
Oh,
sensor.
sensoring, yeah. Bro, I need a size 8 in this. Dean, do you have one?
Yeah, should be something there.
Oh, yeah.
Just enjoy the search.
Yeah, Dean.
I put a sports filter in it.
What is this screw?
This
Oh, no.
that is the biggest head I've ever seen.
Yeah, it is, bro.
Yeah,
It's
that's.
a fucking ball and socket.
You fart?
No, I didn't.
I
Are you sure you're bolting the right thing? What is that?
That's Dean, qualified mechanic. Yeah, use the light.
See, I told you we have a qualified mechanic. Dean, here, use the fucking Milwaukee one.
Jesus. You should
Like fuck daylight.
That's fucking mad.
Alright,
You can put that up here, maybe.
Why isn't the bumper coming out? I just unscrewed it.
Somehow.
James, why isn't the bumper coming out?
Oh,
you mean?
you gotta pull it off.
Oh no, you have to pull it off yourself. You have to yank it this way.
These
Am I
are
gonna yank it or you wanna do the honors?
James is the others.
I reckon let's unscrew both of them and then do it. So it doesn't fucking
Nah.
fuck anything.
Oh, cramp.
What's that?
Oh, watch out.
Here, wait.
No, pull this off. Alright, okay.
Wait, here, let's have a look at this pipe and what comes with it.
no, wait, it's just.
It's just a straight pipe. Then.
I wanna make sure I
want
got
to see
him.
what.
No, this one goes down.
What's here?
James, come yank it.
Oh, shit, no way.
Alright.
So, how many screws on the bottom? Did I tell you?
No, yeah, that comes straight
James, how many screws are on the bottom? 4?
Yeah, 4
Yeah.
and then
Were
1.
they different screws?
Oh, you gotta get that back one off.
All the same?
All the same.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because I unscrewed two of
Be much better.
No garage.
Bro, that whole time I wasn't recording.
Oh. That's right, we got the annoying part out of the way.
Alright, shit part's done.
That's done. Wait, what am I doing?
What's that?
Oh, wait, messages.
Archie remembers me well.
Close the door.
Close the door. Uncle Yanni.
Fuck.
What bolt is that? Allen key set.
Fuck Renault.
Jane,
Allen key set?
what bolt is that?
Got a bolt.
The clip. You sure?
Is that what you're taking off?
I have to. There's 4 of them.
Here, like this.
Is that what you took off?
You know those screws? There's a
Why do you
clip.
keep taking me to fucking town?
There's clips too.
Huh?
Do you have something like that? Like it's like a
Somewhere, man.
Ask your dad.
No, they're somewhere.
Yeah, we're gonna edit going.
Oh no, it's smoking.
We blew a turbo. We create fucking TikTok.
On this car, you fuck, look at all the shit we're
Hey,
getting.
that's the bolt, right? That's the clip from the bolt. There's so much room in the engine bay. It's like this like,
What
big
if
gap.
anything you touch, you feel like it's about to break?
Yeah, literally.
Oh yeah, when after you lemons, you use pliers.
Literally. You just force. No lube, mate. Just.
I'm trying, bro. I hope you know how like fast my heart is beating for every move we do of this.
Max.
Right, the worst case, I was born tomorrow.
I agree.
Yeah, it's fair.
Στόμα σου και να φιλώ το στόμα σου.
You could have got a manual, but is that console?
How's it going?
I'm gonna hang myself from the ceiling.
It's too much positivity. You think this shit's expensive? Anything for this car's fucked.
What we had to do is you had to remove front bar,
Try the bar.
crash bar, radiator support. Yeah.
Come on, well, it's
Then
fine.
there's a clamp down there. You got a brake. Clamped on. Where was the other clamp you got to break? You had to break.
I didn't break it, mate. We used it.
Oh yeah. We use that one.
Why is there so much angle?
And then your throttle elbow.
But I think this bit.
Supposed
No, I already
Too far.
did. I already did. I pulled it out more.
Yeah.
It's only here. Look. It's right there.
The other mate.
Lithium.
Look at first.
So bright. Nah, we put it here on the battery.
We continue. Alright. Now after some blood, sweat and tears.
On the punches, mate. On the punches, boys.
And solid lad. It is on.
Yeah.
After blood, sweat and tears.
It's on, mate.
So from Airtec, that pipe too long, that pipe too long,
Airtec.
fucking Airtec.
Happy camper. It looks fucking sick. What are you talking about, mate? Now it's an engine brake detail. Get Michael down.
Well, I told you to.
Pretty sure that's me.
Right? It's not gonna build boost when it's in park. You need to take it for a drive.
Alright, let's go. Hanging. What? Mate. Anyway. Where's the board? The big board. Huh? No, close the windows. It sounds better with it closed.
No, it doesn't.
It does.